little buggy is a ton of fun to rip around. Just bashing around on the concrete, up on the driveway, down by the road, just kind of ripping around, having a blast with this car. It's so much fun to drive, no matter where you take it. It's really an awesome little truck. I am also really quite surprised with how fast it actually is. It really moves pretty good, especially for being a little brushed truck. It's enough power to drift it around a little bit, just get it sliding a bit, do some donuts, things like that. So initial impressions after my first official test run with this truck, I absolutely love it. It's a great little truck. There's a link in the description below to where you can buy one or just check it out if you want. That will be an affiliate link as well, so if you do choose to buy something using that link, then I'll get a very small commission of that purchase with no additional cost to you. If you want to see an unboxing and initial test of this buggy, you can click right up here for a video about that. And if you want to see another awesome video from this channel, you can click right up here for that, and I will see you over there.